Most people think they've seen all of Phuket, the beaches, the nightlife, the postcards, but the real magic lies in the places they never knew existed. The name itself sparks visions of blue waters, endless cocktails, and crowded beaches with sunbeds as far as the eye can see. Patong, Kata, Karen. These names have become almost mechanical, repeated in every travel guide, every tourist brochure, and every search result. But what if I told you there's a hidden side of Phuket, a side that most travelers never see, a secret world tucked away beyond the crowded beaches and tourist maps? Beaches so hidden, so untouched, that even some locals don't know how to find them. Welcome to the shadows of paradise. This is the story of the hidden beaches of Phuket. Beaches you were never meant to find. Places that exist between jungle and ocean, mystery and memory. Let's go beyond the map. You don't find Banana Beach on accident. There are no signs, no paved roads, and no tour buses waiting nearby. Just a dirt trail that cuts through thick forest, winding like a secret, as if testing your determination. But if you follow it, if you trust your steps, you'll hear it before you see it: the crash of waves, the cry of distant birds. Suddenly, the trees open up, and there it is, right in front of you. It's like a surprise waiting to be discovered. A beautiful, curved stretch of golden sand, hugged by cliffs and swaying palms. It's like paradise. The water is just so clear, sparkling like diamonds under the warm sun, and the breeze is really gentle, making everything feel perfect. You'll find maybe 3 or 4 people, each scattered like whispers on the shore. No shops, no Wi-Fi, just you and the ocean. Locals say this spot used to be a sacred place, a true refuge for many. Place was once sacred, a refuge, not just from tourists but from time itself. And standing there, you believe it. Now, let's move south, along winding coastal roads to a place called Sane. Tucked away behind Nui Beach, this spot offers a chill vibe away from the usual tourist crowd. But Sane? Oh, it's a totally different vibe, you know? It's just fun. To reach it, you must drive a narrow road hugging the cliffs. No lights, no handrails, just raw nature. And then it appears. Picture this: a small rocky beach that's bursting with energy and good vibes. It's the kind of spot where fishermen still haul in their nets by hand, you know? You can hear divers chatting quietly about turtles and colorful reef walls just a few steps from the shore. You won't stumble upon those trendy cafes or catchy tunes around here, you know? You'll find peace, a chill vibe, and a real connection to your soul. At sunset, the rocks glow orange. Children play barefoot in the shallows. You know that feeling when you hit the road and everything just clicks? But some beaches aren't hidden by distance. They're hidden by attitude. Yan is definitely one of those amazing spots you just can't miss. Tucked behind hills and past villages, it feels like a place designed not to be discovered. You won't find any flashy signs or guidebooks singing its praises, you know? Just locals, fishermen, families. It's the kind of beach where life is lived, not just put on a show. You know what I mean? Nothing beats the smell of laundry drying in the warm sun, right? Dogs are snoozing peacefully under those colorful longtail boats, soaking up the sun. You might hear laughter, not from tourists, but from kids chasing each other in the foam. Yan might not wow you with its size or flashy sights, but trust me, it's got a charm all its own. It's super intimate and really honest, you know? Just feels so genuine. In a world that's totally obsessed with highlights and filters, everything feels a bit fake, right? It's really refreshing to find something so unique and exciting, you know? Real. Have you heard about Laem Singh? It's such a cool spot to check out. Seriously, the vibes there are amazing, and the food is to die for. This beach was once a secret spot, a hidden gem everyone whispered about, right? It was the kind of place where you could just chill, soak up the sun, and escape the crowds. It started getting super popular, and then, bam, access was totally shut down. Just like that, everything changed, and people were left wondering what happened. You just gotta ask the right person or follow the right clues. And trust me, there's definitely a way in. It's not easy. The path is rough, steep, and unmarked. But hey, that's just the price we pay for discovering new things, right? When you finally get there, It's like, wow, this is it. Laem Singh has some awesome rewards waiting just for you. Don't miss out. Nestled between towering cliffs and lush jungle, this hidden gem feels like paradise. This beach feels like a little secret, whispered softly by the earth itself, you know? You sit, you listen, it's like the whole world has hit pause, and everything feels super quiet, right? And finally, Nui Beach, is definitely the most hidden gem of them all. It's like a secret paradise waiting for you to discover. You'll definitely want an off-road vehicle, or maybe even a boat to get there. With strong legs and a stubborn will, this journey is tough, but totally worth it. The road is unpaved. The signs are wooden, but the moment you arrive, you'll understand why it was worth it. Bamboo huts sway in the wind. The sand is white and soft. The ocean is so loud and wild, yet absolutely beautiful in its own way. There are hammocks tied between trees. Locals grill fresh seafood near driftwood shacks. And in the distance, only jungle. Some say the spirits of the island protect this place. Others believe it's simply too beautiful to be found easily. Either way, Nui Beach is not for the lazy. It's for the wanderers, the ones who listen when the island whispers. These hidden beaches are more than destinations. They are living memories, pieces of Phuket's untold story. They're not in your booking app. They're not trending on TikTok. They don't want to be famous. They want to be remembered by those who earned the silence, by those who chose mystery over comfort, by those who knew that the best parts of the world are rarely on the map. So next time you find yourself in Phuket, don't just follow the crowd. Follow the path no one talks about. Because just beyond the noise, just beyond the signs, is a side of paradise you were never meant to find. But now, you know where to look.